Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to properly pro-mix your pure carrot gold. Okay, pure carrot gold lotion. I've been receiving a lot of DMs, messages in the comment section on how to properly mix this lotion. I have a video on how to mix this lotion on my channel, but now I've updated how I mix it. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to properly pro-mix this lotion for a glowing and a whitening skin. All right, so if this is what you're interested in, or perhaps you've left a message for me in respect of this, please watch from start to finish, and remember to thumbs up this video. Please follow me on my Instagram page, leave a comment for me. Let's just get right into this video. You guys, this is a sterilized container. Before we start mixing the formula or the lotion, all right, let me tell you something I observe or learned while using this cream. You cannot use only this lotion and expect your skin to glow. All right, even with the oil, your skin will dry out. So you need a moisturizing oil, and that is what I'm going to be showing you or teaching you today on how to make. So this is the pure carrot lotion. So I'm just going to pour a little bit into so this is a pure carrot oil, but I'm using the orange. You can use the gold color or this orange for this bottle. All right, for this bottle, you can use the gold one, the same as this one, the gold, or you can use the orange one for the formulation. The second oil I'm going to be using is Army White serum. I'm still going to use same as the whitener. So this is a skin perfector serum. This actually works against scar, dark spots. It moisturizes. The oils I'm using, they will easily penetrate into your skin and work wonders. Bring out the glow. It will whiten your skin. It will glow your skin. It will actually makes your skin looks like a baby, a baby skin. All right, so I'm still going to be using this teaspoon. All right, as you can see, this is what I'm using. Just going to be using an organic, and this is turmeric oil. This cream is actually good for face and body because that is what I use it. I use it on my face, I use it on my body, and as you know, turmeric oil is very, very good. It works against sunburn, it works against discoloration, it treats the skin, it treats acne. So I'm just going to go ahead and use another teaspoon. This is an organic oil, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together. So you guys, can you see how the lotion is looking? This is just like a milk. All right, this cream, this lotion is like fire. This lotion will actually glow your skin, whiten your skin. Guys, please note the whitening effect is a gradual process. It will whiten your skin bit by bit till you achieve the shade you are looking for. Let me give you a tip. Okay, let me just give you an additional tip. You can also get Shenic perfect leg. I'm going to be inserting the picture up here or here so that you guys can see, and you will add it to this lotion. Half teaspoon, all right, half teaspoon like this plastic disposable plastic spoon, all right, the half of the Shenic for this kind of formulation. As you can see, the Shenic perfect legs works for against redness of the skin. If you don't know what is working for, let me just tell you guys. The Shenic perfect legs works against redness of the skin. It is an anti-stretch mark. It treats discoloration and so on and so forth. It also fights against sunburn, and yeah, so you can also add it to this formulation, just a half teaspoon. All right, so if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up this video. Make sure to like this video. Like I have said earlier, like this video, please share this video if you feel like it, and also leave a comment for me in the comment section. Perhaps you have any video suggestion you want me to make, or what you feel about this video. What you think, you can actually let me know in the comment section. All right, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.